Good morning, YouTube. It is smoky out. It is smoky. It is Tuesday. We're headed out for a ride today to do a little bit of brush clearing out at Wipris, the trail that my buddy Jeff and I were on the last time we were out, and we got turned around. So the only thing worse than getting turned around is getting turned around in the winter. So I got the saw. We're gonna go out today, chop some trees out of the way, do a little bit of maintenance. I'm not a huge fan of trail maintenance, but you know what? I am a big fan of the trails, and part of that is chopping the trees out of the way and doing our part. So we're gonna head out today and do our part, put a little bit of elbow grease in, chop some trees out, and open up some of the trails so we're ready to rock and roll when the snow comes. So if you guys are new to the channel, think about subscribing. We do lots of side-by-siding, lots of jeeping. Our Jeep is almost fixed. Once the Jeep is fixed, we'll have a ton more jeeping content for you guys. But until then, we're stuck using just the side-by-side. We put the new fan in there, so now we're rocking the Brute Performance fan from the side-by-side. So we're ready to rock and roll today. Should be good. We're meeting a guy named Matt out there. He's rocking a Grizzly 700, so should be a good day out. And yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get out there. Look at how smoky it is. Like, it's, oh man, you can barely see anything. Crazy. BC, my heart goes out to everybody in BC. If you guys are watching from BC, or even from down in the States where all the fires are, you know, we're thinking of you guys, and I hope that your homes are safe, and I hope your families are safe, and I hope that yeah, I hope that you guys get back everything that could be or potentially is lost down there. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get out on the trail. Stay tuned. All right, having a good old time on the trail. We got some chainsawing to do though. Got these trees down. Those guys will leave, but these little stumps here can come out. Side-by-side stuff, you know? Got to get rid of that, those little hindrances. Okay, so the trail that we were on that we needed to cut out has already been cut for us. So thank you to whoever came out here with a chainsaw. Appreciate that. Like, that is a notch. Look at that. this whole trail is just gnarly washouts. Woo! Those are deep. Trying to turn out there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just working the old grizzly. Oh, look at that. That's way steep. Way steep. Oh. Yeah, weight that side. Nice. Yeah. Kind of looks like we've got more of the same up front. Doing it. Oh, holy. Wow. Oh, damn, man. Good job, bro. That's a big one. That's a hill. Holy. Oh. Bypass. I don't have that luxury. Look at that trench. Holy. Gnarly line. Gnarly. Even in a Jeep this would be gnarly. Like that's greasy. Oh man. Crazy. Yeah, this trail is going it's getting intense quick. And of course this rain just makes everything so much better. Yeah, it's got a good line there, obviously. You must. Oh. Thank you to everybody for watching this short video, and I apologize. Shortly after this last clip my camera died, as well as with the rain I was not able to fly the drone. So this one's a short one. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as coming into wintertime we will have tons more footage, and be sure to come back and try this trail with a few more quads or side-by-sides and a few easier ways to get around things.